everyone, this is Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Today I'm gonna take you on a tour on some beautiful spots around Buenos Aires city. Buenos Aires is a gorgeous city. It's full of nice people and people who are always eager to help you on your trip. So if you want to learn Spanish through cultural immersion, this is the city for you. Hey everyone, we're here at Plaza Francia in Recoleta, which is a lovely neighborhood in Buenos Aires city. People get together on a beautiful day like this to share some mates, buy some handmade gifts, and just spend time with their loved ones. If you enjoy listening to live music, here you can do it for free. Let's go! El Paseo de los Artesanos is the perfect opportunity to support local entrepreneurs. Everything they make is handmade and is deeply connected to Argentinian culture. Everything you find here, it's unique. You can't find it anywhere else, and that's what makes it so precious. I mean, of course, the one thing you're gonna find here is mates. Okay, so right now we're at Recoleta Cultural Center. This beautiful building behind me is the perfect place to see art expos, also to have some coffee with friends and family. This place is very common amongst locals and also tourists. It's the perfect place to spend your afternoon or your evening. Right now, because of COVID, you have to schedule ahead, but you can do it online and it will only take 2 or 3 minutes. And it's the perfect place, you don't want to miss it. At the law building of the University of Buenos Aires. The University of Buenos Aires is one of the top public universities in the world. There's a myth that says if you count these columns behind me, you won't graduate. So if you visit Argentina, if you visit Buenos Aires city, don't count them. Also, this applies for all careers. Okay, so behind me you can see the flower of Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires is a city full of beautiful green spots to spend the day with your friends and family. We're still in winter time, but it's pretty hot outside today and it's a beautiful sunny day. So this is the perfect opportunity to drink some mates and eat some bizcochos with your family and your friends. So in winter time, the temperature fluctuates around 5 to 15 degrees Celsius, but today is a beautiful 20 degrees Celsius day. Okay guys, and that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this. Make sure to check out OCTB and book your demo lesson for free. Start learning Spanish with native Spanish speakers like me. And I'll see you there. Nos vemos. Mwah.